Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to continue showing you some of the most important functions in NumPy. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have this array, and there is a function called choice. But we need first to use the MP for NumPy dot random and then dot choice. And then we pass our array. And of course, we need to print out the result. And I'm going to show you what this actually does. As you can see, what we are going to get is 8. Because the choice will just choose a random number from our array. If I save and run again, I'm going to get a different result, which is 6. Another function is called the randint, which is going to create a random array starting from, let's say, 3 and ending at 8. And how many numbers we want? Let's say 3 or 4 elements. And we will get this array, which is 3, 4, 6, 5. And as you can see, it's within 3 and 8. Let's say from 2, now we will get 7, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6. And if we say 5, if we set the last parameter to 5, we will get 5 elements. And each time I run, I'm going to get a different result. And if you want to create a multi-dimensional array with random numbers, there is also a function called random, and you can pass, let's say, 2 by 3. And the result, here we have an error. It should be 2 by 3. I forgot here the parentheses. And as you can see now, we have a multi-dimensional array with these numbers. And each time I'm going to get different results. Another function is called the line space. So MP and then line space. And then we set the starting point to 10 and then let's say 3. What we are going to get is these 3 items or 3 elements in this array, starting from 2 ending at 10, and 3 elements only. Let's say 5. We will get all of these elements: 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Another thing that I wanted to show you, which is setting the print options. Sometimes you might have an array with, let's say we print out random, and then we have this 2 by, let's say 2 by 3 again. As you can see here, we have this array with so many numbers after the point. We can set the print options. So here numpy.print options or set print options, and we can supply it with the precision, which could be just let's say 3. And if I save and run, as you can see now, it's going to set the precision to only 3. If I set it to 2, it's only going to print 2 numbers after the point. So this set print options is also important in case you just want to print the array in a specific style. And there are many parameters as well, but the precision is the most important one. Finally, I want to talk about multiplying and adding numbers to an array, and it's actually very, very important. So how would you print? Let's say that you want to add 2 numbers to each of these elements. Actually, it's very simple. You would type array and then plus equals the number that you want, let's say 2, and print print the array. As you can see now, the new array will have two numbers added to each of these elements. And this, by the way, this expression means, if you don't understand this expression, it just means array plus 2. So it took the old array and then added 2 to it, and then stored it again in the same array, as you can see. And of course, we can do the same with multiplying. We can multiply this array by 2. As you can see, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And of course, the old expression, the shorter expression, which is this. If I save and run, as you can see, I'm going to get the same exact result. So this is just, again, an introduction about functions in NumPy. Later, I'm going to talk about more advanced topics and more advanced functions as well, and also applications. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, share, like, and subscribe. And also check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.